Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be working on one of my dad's cars, a 2002 Pontiac Firehawk. It's like a Firebird, but the CLP company made some performance on it and now it became a Firehawk. Let me go change some clothes and we'll be right back. I'm just scanning the car and I just found a misfire code. I'm just gonna start the car right now and see which misfire. As you can see, we have cylinder 1 misfiring and cylinder 8 misfiring also. This is cylinder number 1. We're gonna change the coil and scan it again. We're gonna use the 10mm to remove the coil, but first we gotta unplug the wires. Oh, good.
Okay, they off.
Now we're going to use this 10mm to remove the screws. Now we're going to remove the last one.
Go, go. Go.
Dad. Wait, oopsies. I think I got it out. Shoot. Easy. This thing is heavy. I have a bad one right here. And I have a new coil right here. Now we're gonna screw it in. I can just get it there. We're gonna do this. If I can just. Okay.
Stay.
Now we're gonna plug the coils in. And the second one. Now we'll check which misfire is still running. I couldn't test drive, so my dad did. They're all no misfires. Clear the check engine. Yes. Yes? Yep.
Okay, let's start. Let's take a look back at the freeze frame data. Let's take a look at the misfire data. Go.
Exit.
Okay, data.
This. Okay. Whoa. Data display. Enter engine. Enter engine. Misfire data. Waiting for data. Let's see. All of them. Oh, sorry.
So all of them was within
6,
spec.
5.
It's okay. And when we get small, it's okay.
Yeah. That's all. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and like so I can make more videos like that. Also, hit the notification bell and follow me on Instagram. And see you on the next video.